In the previous lesson, we talked about I am, which is buchus, and buchas for boy and girl. In today's lesson, we will be talking about action verbs and using he is and she is form of representation. He is in Kashmiri is ye chu. She is in Kashmiri is ye chhe. Ye chu, ye chhe. Please note the subtle difference between chu and chhe. Let's get started. Smell in Kashmiri is mushik. Mushik. He is smelling. Yichu mushik haywan. Yichu mushik haywan. She is smelling. Yichhe mushik haywan. Yichhe mushik haywan. Sweep in Kashmiri is duvun. Yichu duwan. Yichu duwan. He is sweeping. She is sweeping. Yichhe duwan. Yichhe duwan. Bath in Kashmiri is shan. He is bathing. Yichu shan karan. Yichu shan karan. She is bathing. Yichhe shan karan. Yichhe shan karan. Yawn in Kashmiri is zamin. He is yawning. Yichu zamne karan. Yichu zamne karan. She is yawning. Yichhe zamne karan. Yichhe zamne karan. Sleep in Kashmiri is shangun. Shangun. He is sleeping. Yichu shungit. Yichu shungit. She is sleeping. Yichhe shungit. Yichhe shungit. Read in Kashmiri means parun. He is reading. Yichu paran. Yichu paran. She is reading. Yichhe paran. Yichhe paran. Write in Kashmiri is lekhun. He is writing. Yichu lekhan. Yichu lekhan. She is writing. Yichhe lekhan. Yichhe lekhan. Watch. Buchun. He is watching TV. Yichu TV wuchan. Yichu TV wuchan. She is watching TV. Yichhe TV wuchan. Yichhe TV wuchan. Listen. Bose. He is listening. Yichu bozan. Yichu bozan. She is listening. Yichhe bozan. Yichhe bozan. Smell. Mushik. Mushik. Sweep. Duvun. Duvun, Bath, Shan, Shan, Yawn, Zamin, Zamin, Sleep, Shangun, Shangun, Read, Parun, Parun, Write, Lekhun, Lekhun, Watch, Vuchun, Vuchun, Listen, Bose, Bose. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you're liking the lessons. In case you have not yet subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you might get all future notifications. Thank you.